Restoring a deleted board in Monday.com is possible if you act within a certain time frame after the deletion. Here's how to restore a deleted board. Log into Monday.com. Go to Monday.com and log into your account with your credentials. Access the Recycle bin. Click on your profile picture or initials located in the bottom left corner of the screen to open the user menu. From the menu, select Recycle bin. This is where deleted items, including boards, are stored temporarily. Locate the deleted board. In the Recycle bin, look for the deleted board you want to restore. Items are listed with the most recently deleted items appearing first. Use the search bar if you have many deleted items, or scroll through the list to find the board. Restore the board. Once you find the deleted board, click on the Restore button next to it. This will immediately restore the board to its original state and location. Verify restoration. Go back to your main workspace or the relevant workspace folder to confirm the board has been restored. The board will appear as it was before deletion, including all tasks and data.